Hi guys, welcome back to Hesandu's World. Today I am going to show you how to bake a cake in just 5 minutes. This recipe you will need 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. First, you'll need to add your sugar into the eggs. And you'll need to mix it up good. Then I will add my cocoa powder and baking powder into my flour. Then you will need to mix it well. Next I will add my butter into my flour mixture. Then you will have to mix it well. If you feel like it is a bit too thick, you can add some milk.
I just love milk.
Now I will add the egg mixture and mix. I will add some vanilla into the mixture. Be careful not to put too much. Now mix. Once you mix it, this is what it should look like. Now I am going to put it into these two little bowls, which I put some butter around. Baking is so fun. I love baking. Now I'm going to add these two into my microwave. For 3 minutes. Cake is ready. Just look how beautiful and delicious it looks. And guess what? I am going to decorate it with my favorite, whipped cream. Let's start. I just love whipped cream. Done! It's ready to eat. Look how beautiful it looks. You can try this after school or at tea time. It is so delicious.